child, I started running wild. I thought it would be better on my own. Now time has shown me things I couldn't see, and the mountains are calling me home. I left Mom and Dad, they were so sad. I still see them crying all alone. I hope and I pray they're still there today, 'cause the mountains are calling me home. I spent my wasted years with heartaches and tears. It's nobody's fault but my own. I see looking back I'm on the wrong track, and the mountains are calling me home. Time I can't reclaim, I've only me to blame. I know that I must reap the seeds I've sown, but starting here and now, I'll make it right somehow, 'cause the mountains are calling me home. The years that I've lost have come at a cost. The ones who love me most may now be gone. The only thing I've earned are the lessons that I've learned, and the mountains are calling me home. I spent my wasted years with heartaches and tears. It's nobody's fault but my own. I see looking back I'm on the wrong track, and the mountains are calling me home.
Oh, me too, baby. Me too. Almost there. Keep going if you want.
I spent wasted years with heartaches and tears. It's nobody's fault but my own. I see looking back I'm on the wrong track, and the mountains are calling.
Another bout of energy now. We made it here. So we got some campers up here. We're hopefully gonna find a place a little bit more secluded.
be free. Let me be free. Let me be free. Let me be free, free, free. Let me be free. Let me be free. Ellis, fire me up another one, dude. Ellis, fire me up.
How we doing, baby? We made it! All right. Yep. Durango. Durango, yep.